welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today I've got a makeup tutorial for you guys, hopefully to inspire your makeup for autumn winter. So I've created this look. So I've gone for brownie eyes and a brown lip. I've gone for this look because it's a bit grungy. I love when autumn winter comes to wear kind of deep colours and shades, kind of deep browns and purples and reds, and I kind of try to focus that makeup just for winter. I do like to wear these kinds of looks during summer, but they're much more autumn winter looks. You want to kind of wrap up warm. You wear darker clothes at winter. I know I do anyway. I wear a lot of black, leopard print, reds. That's all kind of in this season. So yeah, I thought I would create this look. I'm really loving it. I feel like it goes really well as well because I've got brown brows and brown eyes. So yeah, but I'm loving it. Do you guys love it? I'm going to do the tutorial. I'm going to show you how I apply my base all the way to my lip. Yeah, I've got a couple of new products within this video, which I thought I would quickly introduce you to. So, NYX have launched some... NYX have got some suede matte lipsticks, which come with a matching lip liner. So the shade that I've used today is Cold Brew, which is this one here. I've also used the new Kat Von D Inkwell liner, which is a long wear matte eyeliner, which is this one here. And Hourglass have launched a new ambient palette, which is this, which is amazing. So I've used that shade there for this look. And then, you got a little sneak peek then, Obsession has launched a eye palette called All We Have Is Now. It's owned by Revolution. I don't know whether you guys know this. This is the palette. I love it. I love these blues, love the oranges and the golds. Like, this palette is so great for autumn winter. Blues are actually in this autumn winter, so I might have to be a bit adventurous and do a bit of a blue. I mean, it's not really adventurous, is it, because I do blue eye makeup all the time, but as I said, like, I'm looking at a couple of trends recently. I've been looking at a couple of autumn winter trends recently, and they are a lot of deep kind of colours, but there is blue, and blue is meant to be in. So I think I will give it a go, and I think kind of going for bold eye makeup looks is me anyway, but it's good for, like, if you want to go on a night out or something. I feel like this is very wearable every day. I mean, it's very glam, but it's like a glam wearable everyday look. You could even go a bit lighter on your lips, but yeah, I just love this whole grungy vibe. So yeah, so I've used this shade here called Thinker and a little bit of the Improvise on my eyes today. So let's get to the tutorial. Hope you enjoy it. That was the tutorial. What did you guys think? I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have lots of makeup tutorials, hair tutorials. I do all sorts. So yeah, check out the rest of my videos if you haven't already. Yeah, I will see you guys here very soon. Peace out.